Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll share the tips and tricks to maintain the glowy and brighter skin. So first step is threading. I will show a demo how you can easily thread your eyebrow yourself at home. Just need a regular thread, take the appropriate length of it and then break it. Just bring it together and tie a knot. Now twist the loop around 3 to 4 times and it's ready to thread. Here I have started threading on the opposite direction of the hair growth. Threading can easily last 2 to 4 weeks depending on how fast your hair grows. I personally prefer threading my eyebrow because it is long lasting. I have been threading my eyebrow myself for the long time now. I do it myself at home. So it is economical as well if you do it yourself at home. I did another side of my eyebrow off camera using the same technique. Now it's time for shaving routine. I use this cold pressed coconut oil and apply it all over my face to create a smooth layer for shaving. I apply this oil generously all over my face so that I don't cut myself. I'm using this facial razor. So while shaving our face, we should always keep in mind that we should keep the razor in 45-degree angle and always stretch our skin and then start shaving. Shaving not only removes our hair but also removes the dead skin cells. This gives you a smooth finish afterwards. I have been shaving my facial hair for almost 8 years now. Don't worry, the hair doesn't grow back thicker or darker unless you have any hormonal issues like PCOS. I personally suffered from PCOS condition for a long time. I had a thicker facial hair before, but after getting the facial laser done, my facial hair has drastically decreased and it's much more finer than before. I'm using this Mama Earth Tea Tree Gentle Face Wash to clean my face. This face wash is great for oily acne prone skin as it has salicylic acid and tea tree in it. My face is now ready for a regular skincare routine, then let's do it. Using this minimalist vitamin C serum, it helps to reduce the pigmentation, even out skin tone. Also, it is very great for anti-aging. Then I use this cold pressed coconut oil as my moisturizer. I use this as a moisturizer generally in winter season as the skin gets a bit drier compared to summer season. So massaging my face well with it to relax my facial muscles. I love massaging my face on a regular basis. Applying lip balm to hydrate my lips. Finally, applying this sunscreen to protect my skin from UVA and UVB. Using 2-finger technique to apply the sunscreen all over my face. So this was a complete guide to get clear and glowy skin. If you have any queries related to it, then you can comment down below. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.